Hey real life traders, what is going on? Matt DeLong here, enjoying an awesome fall afternoon here on the patio here in Nashville, Tennessee. I wanted to share with you 5 habits of highly successful traders. Number 1, they're consistent. Number 2, they're disciplined. Number 3, they're confident. Number 4, they're patient. And number 5, they're passionate. Consistent. They take the trades that we know give us an edge. We plan our trades and we trade our plan. Number 2, we're disciplined. We show up each and every day 100% ready to go, ready for whatever the market brings us. Number 3, we're confident. We're not afraid to pull the trigger and take risks using setups that we know work. Number 4, we're patient. We wait for the trades to come to us and we don't chase the trades. We don't tighten our stops too aggressively, only to get stopped out when those trades would have worked out in our favor. Number 5, we're passionate. We love what we do and we do what we love. Thanks so much. Remember, as always, love life, live life, and trade it. Thanks.